AI Kit Reviews, TAI Tool Solution for Modern Businesses. Are you looking to supercharge your business with AI? With so many AI tools flooding the market, how do you know which one is right for you? That's where AI Kit Reviews comes in. We test, analyze, and break down the best AI tools so you don't have to waste time or money on ineffective solutions. Whether you're a startup, a growing business, or an established enterprise, choosing the right AI tool can be the difference between stagnation and explosive growth. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why AI Kit Reviews is a game changer for your business, why AI Kit Reviews is crucial for businesses. AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. But not all AI tools are created equal. AI Kit Reviews provides unbiased, in-depth analysis so you can make informed decisions without the guesswork. Upcoming businesses, if you're just starting, you need cost-effective, high-impact AI tools to compete with bigger players. AI Kit Reviews helps you avoid expensive mistakes and invest in solutions that deliver real results fast. Established businesses, scaling efficiently requires automation, data analysis, and smart workflows. AI Kit Reviews identifies enterprise-grade AI tools that streamline operations and boost productivity. Small businesses, limited budget? No problem. We highlight affordable yet powerful AI tools that give you an edge without breaking the bank. Why choose an AI tool that's been reviewed? Would you buy a car without checking its specs, performance, and reliability? Of course not. The same applies to AI tools. Avoid wasted investments. Many AI tools overpromise and underdeliver. Our reviews expose the truth behind the hype, saving you from costly regrets. Maximize efficiency. A well-reviewed AI tool ensures seamless integration, faster implementation, and higher ROI. Stay ahead of competitors. With AI Kit Reviews, you gain a competitive advantage from day one. What types of businesses can use AI Kit Reviews? AI Kit Reviews isn't just for tech companies. Any business can benefit. E-commerce, ad-powered chatbots, recommendation engines, and inventory management, marketing agencies, AI-driven ad optimization, content creation, and customer segmentation, healthcare, diagnostic tools, patient management systems, and predictive analytics, finance, fraud detection, automated trading, and risk assessment, startups, solopreneurs, affordable AI solutions. For content writing, design, and automation, no matter your industry, AI Kit Reviews helps you find the perfect AI toolkit for your needs. How fast can your business grow with the right AI tool? The right AI tool doesn't just improve efficiency, it transforms your business. Automation, reduce manual tasks by 80%, freeing up time for growth strategies. Data-driven decisions, AI analytics provide real-time insights, helping you pivot faster. Scalability, AI handles increased workloads effortlessly, allowing rapid expansion. Customer experience, AI personalization boosts engagement, retention, and sales conversions. Businesses using reviewed and proven AI tools grow 2x to 5x faster than those relying on outdated methods. Conclusion: if you're serious about accelerating your business growth, you need AI, and you need the right AI tools. AI Kit Reviews takes the guesswork out of your decision-making, ensuring you invest in high-performance, reliable solutions. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description to explore exclusive bonuses, discounts, and coupon codes on the best AI tools we've reviewed. Don't wait, your competition is already leveraging AI. It's time to take the lead. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI insights that drive success. See you in the next video.